Hi friends and welcome back. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Ankita and in today's video we are going to be talking about cleaning, and not only cleaning but I mean deep cleaning, like getting into the areas that we normally don't even think about. Today's topic is going to be the bedroom, and we are going to get messy and dirty together, not in the fun way. So let's get started. And if you people are interested in cleaning it with me, that is the entire purpose of the series. So let's just get playing this video in the background and start cleaning the areas that I am at the moment. Now I'll be starting with the fan. Now the entire series is all about starting from the top and ending at the bottom. So always in terms of cleaning, when you're starting, just start from the topmost part of the area. So I don't have spiders and bugs and stuff like that, so I don't need to wipe the entire roof of mine, but the fan, it was really very dirty. So I needed to make sure that the fans are clean because they just give a really nice impact, and especially when it comes up to Diwali, the fans are not running. So you need to clean them up a lot, like really very well. Now, over here I am showing you people very clearly that I am using an extremely dry towel. It shouldn't be wet, it should be completely dry while you are dusting the fan off. After that you can go ahead and spray with any cleaner that you prefer. I have used Colin over here, and I'm just gonna wipe off with a different cloth over here. If you use the same towel, the entire fan will transform into an entire black color, which if your fan is black in color then it's okay, but if it's like my fan's color, then that is going to be a really bad idea. So don't use the same cloths, just change the cloth. So you need to have a lot of cleaning clothes over here. Next step is over the top cabinets. Now these are the cabinets which are usually used for storing stuff, but we usually don't pay attention upon what we have stored once we store it, and that is not the best thing. I guess everything that you're storing is not seriously always required. Like when we shifted to this house 2 years earlier, I did stored a lot of stuff on this over the top cabinet, and now I personally think either the things are useful or they are of no use at all. So if you will not have a look at the things, you won't be able to make sure that the things are at their right places. And one thing that I'd like to recommend to you people, that while you are working these kinds of targets, just always try to make a list of things that you need to put back into the areas. Like there is a box in which my son's old shoes are kept. The shoes that are no longer of a size, they are kept over there. So I did remember that I needed to place one more pair of shoes inside that, and there was a possibility that I would have completely forgotten it if it wasn't in that list. So always list the stuff that you need to place back while you are doing work like these, because these are not the works that you need to do on a daily basis. It's like monthly, or in my case 6 months basis. So I just make sure that I have everything listed that needs to go over there, so as to make sure that I don't have to every time open it up while I have to place a single product back, or that single products keep on cluttering the space of mine. Now over here you people can see I'm just going to go ahead and wipe everything clean once I have organized the entire upper over the top section of the wardrobe. This is the only over the top section. The office area of mine has an open section, so that is a completely different topic of organization. Now I normally make sure that the tops of all, like my dressing table, my wardrobe, all the tops are quite clean, so as to make sure that there is no dust, and these are the areas that are prone to accumulating dust, and I normally follow the same rule of dusting it off first with a dry cloth and then with a wet one. Now over here I have removed the curtains as well, and I am going to clean the windows. Now Diwali is a festival when we are supposed to clean each and every single corner of our house. It is said that there shouldn't be even a trace of dust while you're trying to welcome goddess Lakshmi. So just make sure that every area that you can lay your hands on, and even if it is difficult to lay your hands on, try to derive tricks that can make sure that you have your hands on every area possible, so that you can, simply get your house completely dust free. Like, these festivals are a really huge opportunity of making sure that everything is quite clean and tidy. Now, post Diwali, normally we don't use AC, so my husband has cleaned it entirely from inside, and I am cleaning it from outside as well. This is a table that is kept behind. I'll be showing you people how dusty and grimy it is underneath, behind that table and behind my bed, so as to make sure that you people do realize that even if you are a cleaning freak, trust me, there are areas of your house that you can't depict, that are so very dirty. You always have to make sure that you are, into a deep cleaning routine. Even if you can, then do it like once in a month. If you can't, then 3 months or 6 months at the max is really very very important. Now, over here I am showing you something that my son depicted, and that is the hole in which the rolling pin of the door goes inside. That hole was really very dirty, so I cleaned that hole as well. So use your kids, they are quite capable of telling you what is dirty and what is clean. And now over here I am showing you people that behind that wardrobe, how dirty it was. Like, it got all chunky and tracy. You can see there is a lot of dust and there is a lot of like grime. So I just broomed it out to make sure that that area is clean. Now, on the top of my dressing table, normally there are a few stuffs placed all the time. Reason being, my husband is very tall, so normally the things go on top of the dresser, and I always have to make sure that I keep on removing those things while I am cleaning. So I have just placed everything back at its place, and I have removed the bed sheet. Now, bed sheet was quite dirty because I did went ahead and cleaned the fan as well. So now it's time for me to simply go ahead and remove all of this dust from the floor. Now, you can either use vacuum cleaner for this process. I do have a black vacuum cleaner, but I feel more comfortable with a broom. Now, I have a long broom, and I am cleaning behind my bed and dressing table. There is a narrow space, as you people can see, behind the dressing table and bed, and that is the space that I am cleaning with a long broom to make sure that every corner of the bedroom is clean. That's why I said it's going to be an intense deep clean. Now, the deeper cleaning section has been completed by me. Now, this is like a generic thing that I would do on an every alternate basis, or in a 10 minutes tidy up as well. I'd normally wipe clean everything that is right there in front of me. So from here, the video is going to be a little bit more generic side, plus I'm going to show you people my dressing table organization, just a little bit of it. So over here it was a bit disorganized. I have completed the entire organizational process before I went into the cleaning process. So here everything is arranged and organized. I just try to make sure that the organization system stays in place. Now, this is one thing that I'd like to mention to you people, that you have to always make sure that placing an organization system at its place is not the only option. It's not the only thing that you need to do. You have to be continuous in the process. You have to make sure that whatever you're picking up from wherever, you need to place the thing back to its place in the exact order in which it was placed, so as to make sure that the system lasts. The longer you'll be able to complete this process in the right manner, the better it is going to be for you. So I just try to make sure, at least I try to make sure that the things are placed in the manner as I have decided during the organizational process. So here you people can see the daily wears clothes of my husband that I have tied, that I have folded. I am just trying to place them and arrange them everything in a manner that already has been established by me. Then this is my son's wardrobe. You people might have already seen the organizational video. If you haven't, then the playlist is in the description box for you people. You can go ahead and watch the organizational videos as well of mine. So here I am placing everything back in its place. Now it's time for me to simply go ahead and do the bed sheet wala portion. And here you people can see me doing the same. I have this poly bag. The mattresses are quite new, and I haven't removed the poly bags because Vivan is not like completely PP trained when it comes up to the night time. So sometimes he wets the bed, so I have to make sure that the mattresses don't go stale once again. So what I do now, now if you have a son of this age or a daughter of this age, then you people know what I'm talking about if I'm saying that it is almost impossible if you are using the generic sense of applying your bed sheet, then it's nearly impossible to keep it in place. So what I normally tend to do is I tie up 4 knots on each, like 1 knot at each corner of my bed. Like there are total of 4 knots because there are 4 corners in the bed. Of course I'm literally making less sense, I know, but I'm trying to make sense of it. So here you people can see me, I am knotting the corners, and then I am just placing the knots underneath the mattress. Now this will make sure that the bed sheet is entirely secure, even if due to like tugging and pulling the centers of the bed sheet come off, but the bed sheet will not come itself into the center, it will stay in its place. And that is one thing that really annoys me when my bed sheet is not like working fine. I don't appreciate the idea of having a clean bedroom. Hopefully people can understand what I'm trying to tell you people. Like bed sheet and bed is the most important part when it comes up to your bedroom cleaning routine. So over here I'm just simply going ahead and making sure that the pillows are inside the covers. Now my pillows are a little bit D-shaped. Recently I did wash them and it wasn't a delicate wash, so they just broke a little bit. We need to change them, and I know that, but right now it's not the time to discuss that. Now it's time for brooming and mopping the floors and making sure that each and every single thing that you people can see in the room is like twinkling and shining bright. It's all organized, it's all clean. So now my bedroom is entirely ready for the Diwali festival, and I am seriously very very happy about it because the organizational system was already in place and now it's already clean. And it's something really very different about watching after cleaning, like a space after being deep cleaned, it transforms entirely. So hopefully you people might have found this video motivating. If you people did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. And with that being said, I'll take your all's leave and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay blessed and take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.